Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You'll be notified of the latest videos. This is Sage for kalkinemedia. Today's trending topic covers: can these 5 green electric vehicle stocks be the blue chips of the future? The electric vehicle market has been in high spirits since President Joe Biden signed an executive order last week to boost electric vehicle sales by at least half of all new cars sold in the US by 2030. Following the order, stocks of electric vehicle makers and battery manufacturers were trending on Wall Street. The government has recently announced a series of policies aimed at curbing vehicular and greenhouse gas emissions, from increasing efficiency of the vehicles to building electric vehicle charging stations. Let's look at some of the top stocks that may benefit from the ongoing EV revolution. Lightning eMotors Inc. The market capitalisation of this EV maker is $849,678,000 US. The automaker will report its second quarter earnings results for fiscal 2021 on Monday, August 16th, after the market close. The total revenue of the company for the first quarter was $4.6 million US compared to $0.7 million US in the year ago quarter. Its backlog in the first quarter was $169 million US, and the sales pipeline totaled $807 million. Lordstown Motors Corp is next. The market capitalisation of this automaker is $1.015 billion US. Lordstown will report its second quarter earnings on August 11th after the market close. In the first quarter, the EV maker reported a net loss of $125 million US, a capital expenditure of $53 million US, and cash reserves of $487 million US. Also on the list, Lucid Group Inc. Lucid Group made its debut on the NASDAQ on July 26th, following its merger with Churchill Capital Corp IV. The market capitalisation of the company is $39.6 billion US. The share volume is 1.09 million. NIO Inc. The market capitalisation of the automaker is $71.669 billion US. This Shanghai-based company will report its unaudited second quarter earnings reports for fiscal 2021 on Wednesday, August 11th, after the market close. And meanwhile, the company's revenue surged 481.8% year over year, up to $1.2 billion US in the first quarter. In its unaudited first quarter report, its gross profit was $237.3 million US, up 36.2% from the fourth quarter of 2020. CANOO Inc. After the market closed, the Torrance, California-based firm will report its second quarter financial results on Monday, August 16th. In the first quarter, the company reported cash reserves of $641.9 million US. The GAAP net loss and comprehensive loss was $15.2 million US compared to a loss of $30.9 million in the year ago quarter. And the market capitalisation of the automobile manufacturing firm is $1.883 billion US. If you like the information, please like, share, comment on the video below and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and you'll be notified of the latest videos. For more information and regular updates, please head to the website kalkinemedia.com. Sage here for kalkinemedia.